Hi, welcome to Continuum Academy. So today we will be talking about permutations. I will make a very short video so that in a short videos you can learn easily. So in this permutations, first of all, let us talk about factorial. What is factorial? Okay. Now the continued product of first n natural number is called the n factorial, and it is denoted by n factorial. Okay, hold on. N factorial, it means that 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into dot into n minus 1 into n. Okay, hold on. Let me clear something where n is defined for positive integers only. Okay, I know you still have confusion, so let me clear it with some example. For example, say that 2 factorial means 2 into 1, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 factorial means 5 into 3 into 2 in 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So since we are doing permutations, we are going to require 0 factorial also. As we require 0 factorial in the later section of this permutation chapter, and it does not make any sense to define it as the product of the integer from 1 to 0. So we define 0 factorial as 1. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing, that factorial of proper fraction or negative integers are not defined. So factorial n is defined only for whole number. Okay, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, only for the whole number. Okay, now we can use this n factorial, we can write this n factorial as n minus as n into n minus 1 factorial. That means if you were talking about 5 factorial, then we can write this as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means what? This 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, we can write it as 5 into 4 factorial. So according to our calculation, we are going to change. For example, say that we can write this 5 factorial as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial also. So for example, say that 6 factorial, we can write it as 6 into 5 factorial, or we can write it as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So wherever the calculations it will be needed, we are going to do it in that way only. Okay, now let me come up with short questions. Say we are talking about 20 factorial by 18 factorial. Okay, now what is the meaning of this, how to solve this? So you know that now in order to find out the value for this, what we can write, 20 factorial, 20 into 19 into 18 factorial by 18 factorial. So this 2 gets cancelled. So 20 into 19, which is 380. Okay, now let me take another example. Say 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Now in this, what we can do is that 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial. Now we are going to change this 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now this 6 factorial get cancelled. So 4 uh, 4 2 is 8, 2 2 cancel, 3 3 is 9. So 10 into 3 into 7, which is 210. Okay. Now for example, let us take some more example. Say that let us convert some numbers, say 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. We want to convert this number into factorial. Now how should we do this? So what we can do is that here we have 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. That means in order to write it in factorial form, 10 factorial form, what we need is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So we can write it as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So the numerator becomes as 10 factorial and the denominator becomes as 5 factorial. Okay. So I hope you are clear about the factorials. If you need some more solutions or some more questions, I will make a video on that. You can just comment below. Now let us take some more questions. Say that find the LCM of 4 factorial comma 5 factorial and 6 factorial. So now we need to find out the LCM. So LCM means what? Least common multiple. So we need to find out the multiple, a common multiple for 4 factorial, 5 factorial and 6 factorial, and it should be common. And I hope you all know about the LCMs and all. So 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. What we can do is that we can write this 5 factorial as 5 into 4 factorial and the 6 factorial as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay. Now let us understand this in our childhood, the way we do the LCM. Okay. 4 factorial into 5 factorial, not into 4 factorial comma 5 factorial 6 factorial. You all know that it is going to divide with the 4 factorial, then 4 factorial 1s are 4 factorial and 4 factorial 5s are 4 factorial 6 into 5, right? So the LCM will be what? Therefore the LCM will be 4 factorial into 5 into, let us do some more thing. We can divide this as 5 also. 5 ones are 5, 6. So the LCM will be 4 factorial into 5 into 6. Okay. So that means what we can see is we are getting it as 6 factorial only, which is equal to 720. Okay. Now let us solve with another example. Say that if 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial is equal to x by 11 factorial. Find x. So now, I'm sorry. Now, in order to solve this, what we need is that we need to, what we can do is 1 by, we need to solve. So 10 into 9 factorial, we can write it in this form, which is equal to x by 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. Now here we can take 1 by 9 factorial as common. 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to x by 11 into 10 1 by 9 factorial, and we can cancel this 1 by 9 factorial, 1 by 9 factorial. What we will get here is 11 by 10 is equal to x by 11 into 10, and this 10 get cancelled. So x is equal to 11 square, x is equal to 121. Now we can do it in another way also. For example, say that, what do we have? 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial is equal to x by 11 factorial. Now we can make this, now we can take the LCM of 9 factorial, 10 factorial and 11 factorial. Okay, so that is what we can do is here, let's multiply both sides with 11 factorial. 11 factorial by 9 factorial plus 11 factorial by 10 factorial, which is equal to x by 11 factorial into 11 factorial. So that implies, what do we get here? What is the benefit of doing this? Okay, now if we do a simple calculation here, say 11 into 10 factorial by 9 factorial plus let's say that we can write this as 11 into 10 into 9 factorial by 9 factorial plus 11 into 10 factorial by 10 factorial is equal to x. So what do we get? 11 into 10 plus 11 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 121. We can do it in this way also. So for now, this is it. Thank you so much. If you like, then please like, and if you want more videos, then please let me know in the comment. Please do like, share, comment. Bye bye, take care.